How to buy HyperWo token. So this token came under the symbol of WO. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in WOs on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below. Found your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by the second, don't forget and go and check their X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 6 hours ago and it increased by 2000% in less than 4 hours. And also this token trending #1 in this Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet for that. And after that, as you can see, I will just log it to my wallet first. Sorry guys. Now after that, as you can see here, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste the token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Now click on it and click on I understand. Now after that, you can type here how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. After that, click on pricing and click on provider, select the Jupiter, click on apply, and now go back. And here you will be able to click on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy WO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.